Happy birthday, Nida. Happiest and healthy birthday to you. Narating mo na rin yung pagiging senyorita, member of dual citizenship. Enjoy life pag wala ka na sa work, wala nang stress. At ang kaligayahan natin na mga senior is to do yung mga bagay na i-enjoy natin. Not only going to abroad or travel, kundi yung with the family at saka kung ano yung nakakasaya ngay sa atin na gagawin. Minsan-minsan, manood ng sine. At ikaw, dahil neighbor kita, siguro we can go together. Someday, sometimes. Again, happy birthday and enjoy your retirement. Ang iyong Ate Vicky at regards sa inyong lahat na maiiwanan niya dyan sa trabaho.
Hello, Nida. Happy 60th birthday. Dual citizen ka na rin. Yay! Welcome to the club. See you around. Sana kita tayo. Kita tayo sa session room. Tapos manunod tayo ng sine. Bongga. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day. Bye.
Hi. Hello, Nida. And so, this is it. No? Ito na yun. Happy 60th birthday and happy retirement. And also, I just want to thank you for the friendship nung nandyan pa ako. And I just want to sing this song, yung chorus lang, no? Yung, sabi niya, best friends forever. Sabi niya dito, packing up the dreams God planted in the fertile soil of you. Can't believe the hopes He has granted means a chapter in your life is through. But we'll keep you close as always. It won't even seem you are already retired. 'Cause our hearts in big and small ways will keep the love that keeps us strong. And then, and with faith and love God's given, springing from the hope we know, we will pray the joy you live in is the strength that now you show. Ito yung chorus niya. And friends are friends forever, if the Lord's the Lord of them. And a friend will not say never, 'cause the welcome will not end. Though it's hard to let you go, in the Father's hands we know that a lifetime's not too long to leave us friends.
Happy birthday, Ate Nida. Happy retirement and enjoy lagi. I love you so much. Thank you sa lahat. Happy birthday, Ate Nida. Enjoy your retirement.
Happy birthday, Ate Nida. God bless.
Happy birthday, Ate Nida. Ate Nida, sana mahawa mo sa akin yung pagiging cool mo kahit nakaka-stress na sa line. Cool ka pa rin. Yun lang. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ate Nida.
Happy birthday, Ate Nida. Good luck. Ipang naman din ka ba itang tinatanim mandita?
Oo, napapakita na ito.
Happy birthday, Nida.
Happy birthday!
Ate Nida, happy birthday from USA! Ingatangan na ka ni Rob the cake mo. Bye-bye. Enjoy your birthday! Hi! Happy birthday and happy retirement, Ate Nida! Sana nandyan ako. Namimiss ko na ang Red Horse at saka Jean. Enjoy your birthday and enjoy your retirement. I miss you. Greetings from USA. Mwah!
Sabihin natin,
Thank you sa mga
kalokohan.
hindi, yung mga bulyaso na
Napulusok mo. Ate, kasi muli natin sa hi. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Hi, Manila. Happy retirement. Dapat sabay-sabay.
okay lang yun.
Ayan, tapos ituloy ka.
Salamat pala sa 7.5 years na matagal kayo ha.
12 years. 5 years na ako
ko sa Weban, PFP. Tapos ikaw yung aming
Nanay.
Nakasurvive. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Hi, Miss Nida. Happy birthday.